How would you like to finally make the move to a Craftsman one-level home without sacrificing space or style? Welcome to Holston Hills, where you can own the dream home you've worked so hard for in a central location at 146th and Gray. Hi, I'm Claire. Are you looking for a change? You clicked on this video for a reason, so you're probably asking yourself, is this the right community for me? Are these the right homes? Do I really need to move? Our one-level open concept homes are the perfect solution to all of the problems you have in your current home. Catch the evening news while preparing dinner from your gorgeous kitchen, or grab a drink without missing the conversation. With everything on the same level, say goodbye to the hassle of stairs and hello to easier and simpler living. Your luxurious owner's bedroom is just steps away, complete with a spa-like bath to make you feel pampered every day of the week. Need more space? Add a full basement for extra storage, or a second living area for movie night or the big game. If you want to get out of the house, head over to Clay Terrace, Hamilton Town Center, or downtown Carmel for great dining and shopping. Holston Hills is conveniently located near the crossroads of 146th and Gray, just minutes to Carmel, Westfield, and Fishers. So what do you think? Does this fit everything you're looking for? Take the next step, look up our location and put it in your phone. I'll see you when you get here.